What a beautiful white. Syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. And the search engine is an effective when in the query when it comes to intangible, like let's say love, emotions. These are.
It's just a different way of looking at it. That there are many correlations to be drawn between.
Many.
Even if they're a little bit more abstract.
It is. We can see radio waves. We can see infrared. We can see.
Well, maybe it could be because we have a platform now that sort of makes this information far more available. The chromatic scales.
What a beautiful white